summarize what we did, because we made a lot of mistakes. Come over here. So the first thing, we did not take off the deck. Everything I saw took off the deck. The second thing was we were able to, wait a minute. Oh, I'm hearing a knocking sound and it's a fan inside. So I'm thinking, what broke? Oh. So, here, come in here. So the tension rod, we had to loosen that. And so some of the videos, be careful now, it's really hot. Some of the videos said, all you gotta do is do the tension rod and stick the pulley, or stick the belt up in there. And so the problem was the stop in there, because this is an electronic clutch, right? Automatic clutch. So because of the stop that's welded to the engine, welded to the frame, we had to drop down the electronic clutch. So we did everything we can to be lazy. So we screwed it down just enough so it stayed in the shaft. And so we were able to twist it off so we could put the belt in. So once we got the belt in above the electronic clutch, then we screwed it back up. Then we put the belt on the system. And we had a problem first because we were notching in our board or our pole in there, and we were loosening the tension. The problem was we had a huge issue. We could not get the belt on the pulley. Well, we learned that putting a pole or a board in there does not loosen it enough. So someone got in there from the other side and pushed it all the way over to the side.
I pulled it.
You pulled it.
I got a hold of that pulley and I pulled it as hard as I could towards this wheel here.
So you pulled it all the way
over here.
And that gave enough, it released enough tension in the belt, so we were just able to slip it on easily with our hands. And then all we did is we put the bolts back on. So ultimately we only undid one bolt. Oh, the one thing we had to do is we took a pair of vice grips, clamped it as tight as we could onto the shaft right up above there.
And I don't think you'll be able to see it because it's really dark in there.
So we clamped vice grips up there on the thing, and the vice grips got stopped by the other pulley system, and then we were able to get this thing undone. Once it was undone, that was a big problem that we fixed, and we were able to loosen a bolt, drop it down a little bit, put the belt on, take the tensioner and pull it all the way to the side so the belt was loose enough to just fit it over the pulleys, let it go, they put it back on, tighten up all the knots, all the bolts, and we were good to go. So that is how to change the belt drive on a Mustang Z50 Troy-Bilt. Mustang.
Yeah.
And it feels really good to have it done, doesn't it?
It does. It works great.
Thank you.